Morning, guys. Hey, we're going to look at this again. Math 24. Nobody here at school has gotten into this yet, but since they've been doing a lot of testing, I thought you guys might get a little preview. All right, so if you saw the video yesterday, you know that every card always has 4 numbers. And it's called Math 24 because you always have to get a final answer of 24, all right? So I'll give you a little refresher here. I got to line it up. There it is. Okay. All right, so the numbers always face this middle dot, all right? So in other words, 5, 14, 14, and 1. So if it's like a 9, it's a 9 because it's facing the dot. And they usually put a little red thing in so you know it's a 9, okay? So, and if it's a 6, I gotta find a 6. I gotta find a 6. There is a 6. The 6 is facing inside, okay? I just flipped around. All right. All right, so I got 14, 14, 5, and 1. It's called Math 24 because your answer has to be 24 at the very end. You got to use all 4 numbers, and you can use them any way you want. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide, okay? But you have to end it with 24, all right? So how about this? Why don't we just try to get close? 14 plus 14 is 28, right? I got to get to 24. Well, 28 minus 5 is 23. 23 plus 1 is 24, okay? So that's 24 right there. 14 plus 14 is 28, minus 5 is 23, plus 1 is 24. I used them all, and I did a little adding, did a little subtracting. That's it. Let's do this one. 15, 8, 4, and 13. Okay. Well, I can add these two and get 23. I could add these two and get 17. I don't know if that's going to help me, though. I could subtract these two and get 9, right? I could subtract these two and get 7, so I could have a 9 and a 7. Or I could do maybe 8 plus 4 to get 12. If I have 12, what would be a good number to get me to 24? Well, maybe another 12 or maybe a 2. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 15 minus 13 is 2. Ooh, here we go. So this minus this is 2. This plus this is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 5, 6, 1, and 1. I know it's a 6 because it's facing the red dot, right? Well, I like to think of 24 as there's probably 4 different sets of factors that multiply to make 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Could you make one of those sets of factors with this? Well, I have a 6. Could I make a 4 out of this? Well, I could do 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So 4 times 6 is 24. Wait, I still have a 1, though. 1's the best number to have left over, because 24 times 1 is 24. Or you could say 24 divided by 1 is 24. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Times 1, still 24. I'll give you a minute to think about it. Pause it if you need more time, but how about this? 8 plus 4 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 12, 24, right? So sometimes they're as simple as just add them all up. Last one. Now we know this is a 9 because it's got that dot and it's facing the square. This is a 6, no dot, still facing the square. All right, 6 and 9, 8 and 1. What are we going to do? Well, I think the 8 would go great with a 3. Can we make a 3 around here? How about 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Times it by the 1, 24, okay? All right, guys, that's Math 24. I'm going to put another sheet. If you didn't do yesterday's, watch yesterday's video and get on that one, okay? But I just want you guys to practice, all right? You're going to keep showing me your work of all your equations, kind of like my example that I put in yesterday and today. But as we do more and more, you're just going to be doing them in your head, all right? Okay, guys, good luck. Catch you later.